Hey everyone, we are Sean and Sarah, and we're just kind of doing a quick video as it's been a little while since we set up this channel, our Facebook page and our website as well. So we wanted to kind of give you an idea on journey so far, and I guess get some feedback and ideas from you guys about what you'd like to see next in our direction.
Yeah. And so obviously it's still fairly early days in terms of mosaic and cloth, and some of you will know that we have a real cause behind what we're doing. I mean, we're really passionate. The reason why we called mosaic and cloth is due to a very frightening experience I had in my most recent pregnancy, where we feared for the health of our daughter and whether she would even live. So we want to raise awareness for that cause and try to help other families who are impacted in similar ways. I won't go into all of that right now because we could probably talk for a very long time about it, but it's just to sort of bring things back to, we are very passionate about this. It is still early in days in terms of our journey, but we feel very strongly about promoting cloth nappies and promoting the cause that is mosaic and cloth. And that's why it's so important we try to get this right.
Yeah, definitely. And obviously if you want to find out a bit more about that sort of initial journey that we went through and the stuff that we faced with trisomy and mosaicism, we'll link the video down below to what we did when we first started out with this as well. You know, there's a lot of information to take there. There's some really great charity bits out there as well that we really want to kind of focus on. If you're watching this on Facebook, for example, you'll find the donation buttons beneath as well, and we always appreciate any donations that go to that charity. They're a massive help to parents, families out there in need.
Yeah, and it really makes a difference to children and families who are facing very challenging circumstances and sometimes even the death of a loved one. So it is obviously a very worthy cause. But anyway, moving on from that for the time being. Yeah,
definitely. So obviously a lot has happened. When we started out, Sarah created a Facebook group by accident rather than the page. We set up the YouTube channel, and we've moved on now, so we've got the page that's up and running and live. We have our Instagram account as well, so you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and obviously on YouTube as well, where we're doing a series of videos every single, either Saturday or Sunday they'll land, so you'll get a new video. We now have a website and an online store set up, and you can find us on Etsy, eBay, or on our website direct as well. A lot of work's gone into the background, especially Sarah's been sourcing products left, right and centre.
Yeah, so basically we've done a few shares of the products that we've started to sell, and some of that's drop shipping, and some of it is stock that we have directly with us. So there's a bit of a difference between those, because where it's drop shipping, that involves international shipping around the world, which means that obviously there can be a bit of a delay in terms of the postage, so it can take a couple of weeks, sometimes up to a month or so, I gather, for things to arrive, so it's a bit slower. If you're based within the UK and you'd like our UK stock, which includes items such as this and this, and also this, then you can obviously go to our Stocked in the UK section on our webpage, and we can sell these items to you direct from there. And obviously that's less of a wait.
So we want to try and make it as easy as possible. So, you know, we're giving as many avenues for people to buy these products from. So like Sarah said, we've got, if you're wanting to go down the sort of waiting route, there is a lot more stock that we've been sourcing, we're testing. There's a lot of variation. But it does mean there'll be a bit of delay in shipping because we have to get those products sourced, ordered and then distributed to you. But it's stocked on the UK section. If you're based within the UK, anything you buy there is stocked in our UK warehouse, which is our home / my office, and will be distributed to you straight away.
Although that's actually on the drop shipping section.
That is on the drop shipping, but we'll be getting more of these as well, because they seem to be proving pretty popular. And one of the other great things about this is we've now got the opportunity to shape what sort of products we bring you. So we're very focused on cloth and reusable diapers and nappies, purely because of the environmental impact, and we've done this in a video beforehand, but you know, we love these, our children love these, and the impact on the environment is amazing in compared to disposable ones. So that's something we've been passionate about.
Yeah, because I wasn't aware that until you have, say, a newborn and you're seeing them going through maybe 10, 15 nappies a day, and you see that waste accumulate. It's an average that a child will go through sort of around the 5,000 mark of disposable nappies before they reach adult training, sometimes more, and they take more than 500 years to gets to the point of decomposing. So actually the environmental impact of that is absolutely huge. And we're not trying to guilt trip around that, because obviously with our first one, we've got into cloth late with him, and he's absolutely loved it since we have. We've seen it's been a lot more effective than the disposables for us, and so it's a lot easier than what we thought, because we thought it was going to be a huge challenge, but actually we found it so much easier than using disposables, more effective than what we thought it would be. But 5,000 nappies that can sit around, impact our environment for 500 years, it's quite a big amount. And then when you start looking at the financial costs as well, you might just think, oh, £10 here and there maybe each week on nappies. That quickly accumulates to say 500 plus a year, and sometimes more than that. And maybe like going into the thousands mark for some people. If say you splash out on the top brand nappies and you're getting like the expensive nappy bins and nappy sacks and the top of the range wipes, all of this can add a huge amount without you realising, because you just think a tenner here and there, and nappies £20 or so. But then if you're doing that every couple of weeks or every month, that
soon adds up. It very quickly adds up. So obviously cloth is the passion of ours now, but we've got the option now to shape what products that we bring to you. So if there's anything in particular that you guys out there as parents, or anyone who's offering childcare, anything like that, if there's anything that you can think of, anything that you'd like us to bring to the website, let us know in the comments, let us know on the Facebook page, and we'll do our best to source those and do the research to find you the best possible products with the best reviews. And again, if there's anything that's on the website that you'd really like us to start stocking in the UK, let us know, and we'll make sure to get hold of those, and we can start stocking them and hold stock on site that we can send out to you much faster, get out to you sooner. So sky's the limit. If there's anything out there you think, this would be great to have on there, or have us do the research for. If you want us to do any video reviews, we've started doing that recently, doing some video reviews on the products we get in, what we think of them, what the value's like, and stuff like that. So if there is anything on the website or anything you'd like us to get hold of, let us know. We can do videos of it, we can stock it in the UK. There's all sorts of possibilities there.
Yeah, absolutely. And one thing I would say is our website is quite versatile, so it's not restricted even just to cloth nappies. There's like women's hygiene, and there's clothing range and stuff as well. So even if like you just think, well, I like the look of that and that fits in well with the website, and you think you'd like us to get source things either internationally for our international shoppers, and we are happy to try to source items that are going to give more use to you, or like Sean says, get things in locally if it's a UK based product as well.
And then like we said, anything that you see on there, or anything you think, I've looked into this product and I like the look of it but I'm not too sure of it, I'd like to know a bit more about it, let us know, and we can then start to get those in, and so that we have hands-on experience. We can bring videos to you, we can do guides on the different products that you'd like us to as well. So again, if there's not a tutorial out there for something, or if the hands-on experience doesn't exist for a certain product that you're interested in, then let us know, and we can get our hands on it and do the videos and bring you that sort of experience.
And one thing I would say is we feel very passionately about providing products that are good quality, which is why even the things on the drop shipping we've ordered in and we've tried on our own babies, because we feel that we wouldn't want to sell anything that we wouldn't use on our own children.
No, definitely not.
It's really important to us that we're producing things that are of good quality. So we've been using, say, these items on our own babies. So, baby and toddler, I call them both babies, but one's a toddler. So we can give hands-on advice around how we found things as well. But also, likewise, there's acknowledgement that we are still quite early in our own cloth journey.
Oh, definitely.
And that everyone's experience will be very different. So what might work well for our children or might work differently for other people, and vice versa. So some things that we might not rate as highly, you might then say, well, actually this is fantastic and we'd like more of this, and so we're open to that feedback.
Yeah, definitely. And any questions you've got around cloth, any questions you've got around parenting in general as well, fire them our way, share them in the group. On the Facebook page now, we've created a parenting group and like a cloth chat as well. So be sure to join those individual groups if you've got any questions and stuff like that. But then around things like trisomy and mosaicism, going back to that, if you've got any questions regarding it, be sure to fire them over and we'll do our best to support that. We can also signpost you over to the correct charities, the correct places to actually help you through that journey as well. So you're not alone with those issues. There are other people out there who are going through the same thing as yourselves.
Similar.
Yeah, or similar at least. So by all means, reach out and we can at least put you in contact with people or help.
And one thing I would say is it's not necessarily restricted to having your own children right now. One of the hardest points for us in terms of that journey was actually the pregnancy part, wasn't it? And placing all of the antenatal testing. We found it all really confusing, really overwhelming. The lack of knowledge around mosaicism and trisomy 18 and 13 in general. So for us it was a really difficult time. So even if one person watches this and is going through a really difficult pregnancy, has had really worrying test results and doesn't know where to turn, then you know, I'd welcome any opportunity to help if I can as well.
Yeah, exactly. So you know what, reach out. There's all sorts of supports that we can offer, and if we can't offer it, we'll find the right people to help you out as well. So as part of this journey, it's part of the mission that we've got, and one of the things we are very passionate about. So questions regarding cloth, questions regarding parenting, questions regarding mosaicism, or any issues that you're facing at the moment, be sure to reach out. We're going to be creating a community here for everybody to share in, and at the same time looking at bringing you amazing products like our awesome unicorn, which Logan now loves, out to you guys. So you know, be sure to and the seahorses, of course. So be sure to share feedback. Let us know any products you'd like to see. Let us know any hands-on you'd like to see, and help us shape this in the future. This is your channel. This is your page. It's all for you. It's shaped by you, our community, and our fan base. So let us know what you'd like to see next. Let's know what you'd like hands-on stuff with. All of that. It's down to you guys and how you shape this.
Yes, I would agree.
Brilliant. So yeah, we will see you all next weekend. It'll either be Saturday or Sunday. We've not yet set on a single day when we're going to be getting these videos out. It depends on what the children are doing and how much they're climbing on us. But you know, be sure to hit the subscribe, like, follow, all of that, and get onto all of our different fan pages and share in this community. And we will see you all soon. So thank you very much for watching.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.